Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopper block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use that leftover pot roast and making some tacos and taquitos. Okay? So if you seen my other video, I told you guys I'm going to make 2 or 3 different recipes. Here's the meat that I have left over right here from the chuck roast. Alright? So we're going to make us some tacos and some taquitos. Alright, so I'm going to show you what all I got here. I have some cheese right here. This is some queso and cheddar cheese right here. Alright, just some lettuce right here, shredded up. This is some taco seasoning. I really don't need it, but I'm going to use it anyway. Some homemade pico de gallo. If you guys want me to show you how to make this, I will leave a link for that. And a link to that when I made the chuck roast. Okay? So yeah, I have some cheddar right here and some queso. Alright? Alright guys, we're just going to go here and warm this up, and we're going to go to the grill, and we're going to warm these up and go ahead and get these tacos and taquitos going. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All I did is put a little tablespoon of olive oil on there. I'm gonna take some of this sea salt, put some of that on there, just like this. Take these shells, cook it on medium. So let's make sure it's on medium low. We don't want to burn them now, right? We're gonna do about 3 on here, I see. Alright. Flip them over. Like so. Come in here with some cheese. Starting with the taquitos. Now you could put some refried beans on there, because some of this meat, it don't require a lot of meat, so just a little bit, just like that. And we're gonna take these bad boys off before we're gonna roll them. I wish I could roll them right now, but it's gonna be too hot on my knuckles. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm gonna take these bad boys and just roll them. Just like this. Don't worry about the excess cheese and none of that stuff. That's all you're doing. Alright fam, I'm gonna go ahead and complete up some more of these, and then we get started on them tacos. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm done with the taquitos right here. I got about 10 of them bad boys up in there. Now I'm about to be short on the tacos, right? But that's how that looks over there. Alright, let me go ahead and do these tacos, and I'll be right back. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm gonna do the same thing. Put a little bit on here, like so. A little salt, like that. Not a whole bunch. You get these corn tortillas. So you know they get 2 a piece. Okay, just like that. Now I'm just doing the shells right now and take you to the table and put them together. Alright? Flip them over. Just pretty much warming them up. You want them kind of loose. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take these over there. If you want to do the other side, you can do the other side as well. but you just really want them kind of loose. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys at the table. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Go ahead and put some of this meat in here. Hopefully I have enough. Don't require a lot of meat. Just trying to make sure all of them got some meat in there. Use the rest of this up. Empty. So now we're gonna come in here and taste that. I want to get some of that very sauce or something. I'm gonna take some of this verde sauce. I know I didn't have it out there, but it's your option if you want some or not. Just a little crumb. Just to give a little sauce in there, which I didn't need because I got homemade pico de gallo. All right. Just throw some cheese on there. Much as you want. We're cheeseheads around here. All right. So I'm going to have to clean this up, of course. All right. Then I'm coming with some of this lettuce. This is like romaine lettuce. A little bit more on there. Take some of that off. All right, now we'll do some pico on there. There you go. Some will fall off. We'll put it back on there. Don't worry about it. That's why we got it on the taco stand. And if you don't want lettuce and all that other stuff, you don't have to put it on there. I'm just showing you how I make mines. You know, to each his own. Everybody make theirs different. But if you want to taste like VELDOGGS, I guarantee you want to try it like this. I guarantee you that. Alright guys, so make sure I got enough on here. Alright. That's the tacos right there. Okay? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and show you the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm finally done. Here's your presentation of homemade tacos, shredded tacos, and taquitos. Okay? Using chuck roast, leftover. And do go check out that other recipe I made. I made a shepherd pie. That's what kicked it all off. Alright? So, let me show you that up close. Tacos, and here's the taquitos right here, if I can get this focused. All right, 3 recipes out of chuck roast, and you can do it also too, believe that. All right, so guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, oh yeah, hit that bell just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Stay tuned in.